Finding the IP addresses for your Spectrum router involves understanding three key types: the WAN IP, which is your router's public address on the internet, the LAN IP, which is the private address on your home network, and the default gateway, which is how devices communicate with the router. These addresses are crucial for troubleshooting, setting up port forwarding, or managing your network. The WAN IP is the public address that identifies your router on the broader internet. This is what websites and online services see when you connect from your home network. Next, the LAN IP is the private address your router uses within your home network. This allows devices like computers and smartphones to connect locally without exposing them directly to the internet. The default gateway is essentially the LAN IP of your router. It's the address that your devices use as the exit point to send traffic beyond your local network. To visualize how this works, data flows from the wide area network through your router to the local area network. The router acts as the bridge between these two. Here you can see a typical Spectrum router, which handles these IP addresses and network connections. And this network diagram illustrates how the WAN IP connects externally, while LAN IPs handle internal devices. Understanding these IP addresses is the foundation for effectively managing your Spectrum router and network. Now let's cover the methods to find these IP addresses. First, check the router itself. Most Spectrum routers, like the Aris RAS2V1K or Sagemcom Fast V688W, have a sticker on the bottom or side with the default gateway, which is also the router's LAN IP, the default username, and the password. Next, use your computer. On Windows, open the command prompt and type ipconfig. Look for default gateway to find your router's LAN IP. To find your public WAN IP, simply search "What is my IP" on Google or use the command curl ifconfig.me in your terminal. Finally, the easiest method is using the Spectrum Router app, which provides all the necessary IP information, WAN and LAN, in a user-friendly interface. It also offers network diagnostics.